Hey there, quantum enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the incredible world of quantum computing and how confidence in this cutting-edge technology is growing rapidly. First off, let's talk about the unparalleled power of quantum computing. Unlike traditional computers that rely on bits, quantum computers use qubits, allowing for complex calculations to be performed at lightning speed. This revolutionary technology has the potential to solve problems that are currently unsolvable with classical computers. Moving on to our second point, the rapid growth and confidence in quantum computing is truly astounding. Major tech companies and research institutions are investing heavily in this field, leading to breakthroughs in quantum algorithms, error correction, and hardware design. With each new discovery, the possibilities of quantum computing seem limitless. As we continue to unlock the power of quantum computing, the future looks brighter than ever. So, embrace the quantum revolution and witness the incredible potential it holds.
Hey there! Today, we are going to talk about the secret to cultivating a strong blockchain mindset and how you can improve consistently. The first key to developing a strong blockchain mindset is education. Take the time to learn about blockchain technology, how it works, and its potential applications. By becoming knowledgeable in the field, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions and navigate the ever-changing landscape of blockchain. Next, practice critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Blockchain technology is complex, and it requires a sharp analytical mind to understand its intricacies. Challenge yourself to think outside the box, solve problems creatively, and adapt to new information quickly. Remember, developing a strong blockchain mindset is a journey that requires dedication and perseverance. Keep learning, stay curious, and never stop improving. With the right mindset, you can achieve great things in the world of blockchain technology. Uplifting ending sentence, so keep pushing yourself to grow and evolve, and watch as your blockchain mindset becomes stronger every day.
Hey there, fellow 3D printing enthusiasts! Are you looking to take your 3D printing skills to the next level? Well, you're in luck because today I'm going to share with you 10 ways to rapidly improve your 3D printing skills. First, invest in quality filament. Using high-quality filament can make a huge difference in the outcome of your prints. Next, familiarize yourself with your 3D printer settings and make adjustments as needed to optimize your prints. Now, let's talk about design software. Learning how to use design software like Tinkercad or Fusion 360 can open up a world of possibilities for your creations. Additionally, consider joining online communities or forums to connect with other 3D printing enthusiasts and learn from their experiences. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. With dedication and the right tools, you'll be amazed at how rapidly your 3D printing skills can improve. Keep on creating, and happy printing!
Hey there, friends! Today, we are diving into the exciting world of self-driving cars and how they're changing the way we think about transportation. One of the key factors driving the future of self-driving cars is the advancement of technology. With cutting-edge sensors, cameras, and AI systems, these vehicles are becoming smarter and more capable of navigating complex environments. Another important aspect to consider is the level of confidence that people have in self-driving cars. As these vehicles become more common on the roads, studies have shown that public trust in their safety and reliability is steadily increasing. As we look to the future, It's clear that self-driving cars are here to stay. With continued innovation and growing confidence levels, we can expect to see more of these futuristic vehicles on the road, revolutionizing the way we travel. So buckle up and get ready for the ride of a lifetime with self-driving cars. Stay tuned for more exciting updates on the future of transportation. See you next time. Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Today, let's dive into the fascinating world of neural networks and how discipline can truly supercharge their performance. When it comes to boosting neural networks, discipline plays a crucial role in enhancing their capabilities. By consistently feeding them high quality data and fine tuning their parameters, we can significantly improve their accuracy and efficiency. One key aspect of discipline in neural networks is regular monitoring and adjustment. By closely monitoring their performance metrics and making necessary tweaks, we can ensure that they are always operating at their peak potential. So, next time you're working with neural networks, remember the power of discipline in supercharging their performance. With dedication and consistency, you'll be amazed at the incredible results you can achieve.